Hello!
Hello!
And welcome to Bed Monkeys.
Frictionless condoms. Sounds like a good idea until you really think about it.
I'm not getting anything here.
Well, the condom part is working.
You sure?
I don't know.
Where is it?
I don't know. I think it just went by my face. We're in space, too. I didn't feel anything, but I thought I saw it.
Karen.
Yes, Andy?
Name 3 other things that should not be frictionless.
Frictionless reality TV.
1.
Frictionless running shoes.
2.
And frictionless washboard.
Oh. Come on, start playing.
I'm not getting anything.
Some bitch.
I'm playing the air washboard, which is better than the air French horn.
Don't say anything witty because this part's getting cut out. Karen.
Yes?
I have a magic trick.
You do?
I do.
Ooh.
Let's see if I can do this lying down.
Oh.
All right. Here I have a simple plastic bead with a hole in it and 2 shoelaces running through it.
Oh.
Okay. So, Karen,
like Docksiders.
hold out your hand like that.
Uh-huh.
All right. Now, grip the ball so it's in there tight. All right. Now, just point to one of these on this side. Which one would you like?
This one.
This one?
Please.
All right. Now, pick one on this side.
This one, please.
All right. Now, I will tie them together here so they're nice
right.
and secure.
Okay.
All right.
Are you watching this?
Are you ready?
Yes.
Now, count 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3. How did that happen? It's magic.
It is. Now take a look at that. It's actually a solid bead.
It is.
She's not my stooge here. She's really
No, I'm my own stooge.
And these are definitely solid.
Yes.
I'm amazing.
Hey, Andy.
Yes, Karen.
Guess what's in the bed?
My toes. Done some trouble there. Oh, more creepy glasses.
Oh, yes.
Oh.
Here, you try these. I've always wanted these. They're the kind of thing that the funny, cool, the funny, cool friend in an 80s comedy would have. And I always wanted them. And I finally got them.
Hey, dude. What's going on? Ah!
Oh.
They're not quite so effective when you're lying on your bed. Whoa! Whoa! Whoa!
Weird. Oh, that's gonna freak them out.
I used to have a tiny pinhole in them so I can see. Could I use these to look at a solar eclipse? Oh my!
Perhaps.
Where did Karen go?
I don't know. I can't see anything.
Yeah.
Here, you may have that. Have your villain beard.
No. I'm your therapist.
Oh, are you?
So, tell me about this recurring dream you've had. What the hell are you doing?
Well, I'll tell you about this recurring dream I had. There's a couple of goils in it. Now this is... Ooh, I'm eating his stash. Which means something different in Colorado. There's regular and extra special. These, sorry, Dave, my brother, these are gonna be a present for you, but they were just too cool. I kept them. See, I told you.
Yeah. It's gravity. I'll put these back on.
We have a complete disguise kit. My mustache is up. Actually, these happen to work better laying down than they are standing up because the nose doesn't have any place to go.
Oh yeah, the works are in there.
Yeah.
You look kind of like Gene Shalit now. Great, Gene, review a movie for us.
Oh, well, I really enjoyed it. I mean, she slept with everyone in Dallas.
And it was just a cigar.
And that's what's in the bed.
Because now it's time for an Esau's joke.
Ooh.
Give me a word.
Isa. Let's go for science. Have we done science?
Science.
Oh man, there's some cool words in there. I just saw the word sarcasm go by.
Yeah, science.
I want one science and one sarcasm because I want to know what that is.
All right, science. 1 or 2?
1.
A distinguished scientist sat in an observatory, peering at the heavens through the huge telescope. He at last remarked impressively to a fellow scientist, keeping his one eye glued on the instrument, "It's going to rain." "How can you tell?" inquired the other scientist. "Because," said the learned one, still studying the heavens, "my corns hurt."
Wow, that's science.
Science. All right, sarcasm.
Sarcasm.
Science had 2. Sarcasm has 10.
Oh, yeah. I'd like number 3.
All right. Oh, all right. It's a short one.
Okay.
The class had been even more stupid than usual, and at last the professor lost patience. "It's no use today. Class dismissed," he said in exasperation, then added, "And please don't flap your ears as you file out."
Don't flap your ears as you file out?
I don't know.
Like,
Give me another number.
big jugheads or something?
Give me another number.
9.
9. They thought that they had made every arrangement to ensure the success of the meeting, but the speaker, on surveying the platform, beckoned to the chairman and asked if he could have a glass of water on the table. "Do you want it to drink?" queried the chairman, none too brightly. "Not at all," retorted the speaker. "It is my unfailing custom after speaking a half hour to do a high dive into it." That's sarcastic.
Yeah. Catalogs. Pier 1 imports. And something new.
The best of collections, etc.
That one looks like it's going to be horrible.
Yes, this one is for Karen. Oh, don't look at the address.
Oh.
For Karen, so she will get this one.
And
So,
this one's for Andrew.
give me a number up to 71.
63, please.
Oh my, alright.
Okay, how much?
1, 2, 3, or 4.
1.
1. You get bath animals.
Bath animals? I got
Yes.
baby toys.
You can get Jungle Fun or Dino Bath. I'm gonna give you both.
Oh, right. What are they, foam? Wow, they stick to the walls?
Yeah, they're EVA, whatever that is.
Mmm.
Isn't that like when they go outside the spaceship?
Yeah.
Extravehicular activities?
I always liked the Barbasol with food coloring in it. My parents would put like poof, 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 like all the colors, and then they drop the food coloring, and then you could finger paint with it in the bathtub. Oh. I should do that again.
Yeah.
Hey, it's Pier 1 Imports for Andy.
Fancy stuff.
Oh, it's their holiday one. Oh, there's some neat stuff in here. What about up to page 39?
12.
Oh boy. Well, page 12 is like the picture of all of it. I'm just going to give you all of it since you're just going to be horrified.
Oh.
It's everything A through G. Festive stripes. Festivity is served.
Yeah, I got served.
Oh man, you got served. You get the festive stripes stemware, serving bowl, placemat, lacquer charger, plates, napkin rings, and a dome. Candy stripe serveware, glittering beaded placemats, elegant chargers with gleaming gold lacquer.
Well, this would be cute for like a Christmas party or something.
And then you could pack them away for the whole
invite people.
rest
Come
of
on
the
over for
year.
Christmas. Honey, everybody's coming over for Christmas. Oh, we could have gotten that.
I know. I saw this. Which just reminds me of the movie Airplane. Where they're talking and it like takes off in the background and flies around the room. Oh yeah. That's pretty cool. But you picked the lacquer and glitter and candy stripe.
Oh, it's the story of my life.
We had a barfy holiday party, but I'm in the tub playing with my toys. So whatever. Don't pout, I'll give you the plane too. Sorry,
Charlie Callas get in here. Stop being so callous with me.
My vaudeville, I shouldn't have bought the Ford Vaudeville. The thing just won't start. Oh, there it goes. I'm gonna beep the horn. Oh my god.
I don't remember what noise it made.
I think it was all based on Charlie Callas.
Honk the horn again.
Okay.
Say you're gonna honk the horn.
I'm gonna honk the horn.
The magic of editing.
Oh,
there you go. The magic of breadbox.
Is it bigger than Andy's gestures?
Did we talk about beef tongue?
Did we? Weird.
I don't know.
What are you doing?
Pretending I have no neck. Oh, thank you.
You're welcome. There's one other way to fix that.
No.
I guess it's time for sleep. I'm working on voices.
New choice.
Ooh, I guess.
New choice.
Ooh, I guess. Ooh.
That one will, yeah.
This one? Alright. Ooh, good night then.
Good night to you. Oh, it's so much work getting into bed.
Flannel jammies on flannel sheets is kind of tough.
I set fire to the sheets 3 times last week.
Though it is better than silk jammies in the silk sheets.
Wow!
Those satins. Oh yeah. Had that I couldn't use the satin pillowcase that came with my satin sheets because my pillow would go whoo, shooting out of bed.